All right, we are here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Come take a look. Welcome to Wilderness Lodge here at Disney World. When you walk in, the closet is on one side of the room. So, you know, nothing too earth-shattering there. It's actually a decent sized closet, as well as another little segment here with shelving and the safe. Keurig coffee maker. Aww, so cute. Underneath the coffee pot are all of your coffee supplies. And then below that, behind this door, is the beverage cooler. Across from that beverage cooler area is the bathroom. So it has double sinks. Kind of like that inset there, it's pretty. And a real door that closes the bathroom off from the rest of the room. So that's always handy for when multiple people are trying to get ready at once, or if you're trying to let somebody sleep in. So here's double sinks, and then another door between the sink area and the shower. Now that we have explored the beginning part of the room and the bathroom, let's take a peek at the bedroom area. So we have a 2-queen room. The styling is really pretty. It's the new design for the remodeled rooms, where they have these high headboards with mixed mediums, the laminate floors, and these beds on posts. The deluxe resorts have the nightstand with tons of plugs there, and then also on the other side of the bed they have these little side tables, and there are actually some plugs underneath there as well, which is nice. A few fun little touches. There is this light up panel in the bathroom, and it turns off or turns on, and there's a matching one. There's a matching one on the other side here, but it has its own switch. So you can choose one or both to be on. So cool. And then over here, hidden in all of this detail, I recognize Chip and Dale. Do you see them? On the other side of the room are 2 upholstered chairs, and then this little table here. There's 2 tables, so you can actually have one in front of each chair if you want to have breakfast or a snack or something in the room or work, since this one does not have a built-in desk. So here's your TV, and then down here is the dresser. These drawers are not as big as some of the other deluxe resorts. Like the new Polynesian rooms have a lot more storage space, but those rooms are also bigger overall. So I think it would be fine for a family of 4 for a couple of days, but a longer term stay, you might be a little short on storage space. Although with the closet, it's not so bad. From here, let's take a step out into the balcony area. I really like the setup. They're very private. It's hard to see because it's dark outside. We got here late tonight. But it's a really nice privacy wall separating you from everybody else. And an unexpected surprise. We have a Magic Kingdom view room. So had we been here just a few minutes earlier, we would have been able to catch fireworks from our room, which would have been so incredible. But even still, it's nice to see that castle right there, as well as the Contemporary. Thanks again for taking a tour of our Wilderness Lodge room here at Disney World. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek behind the door to see what this room would be like for your family. Make sure you hit subscribe so you will be notified of our next new video, and take a tour with us wherever we're off to next. Thanks for following along, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.